Good afternoon. Do you have reservation with us?
Yes, ang ganda naman po.
Perfect. May I see your ID, please?
Sure.
Here, please. Thank you, Miss Ortega. Let me check confirm booking. That's for 2 nights and deluxe room, correct?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Just to confirm you, our breakfast is served from 6:30 to 10 p.m. at the Sun Hotel. For your comfort, please remember that smoking and is not allowed inside our room. And check-out time is 12. Here's your key card. Your room is 304 located on the 3rd floor. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to call the front desk. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome, Miss Ortega. Enjoy your stay at Sun Hotel.